Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. So let's write here on the screen and we are looking at the US dollar Swiss franc with some bullish eyes, meaning we are kind of favoring the upside. You might say, okay, how come kind of favoring? Either you are favoring the upside or not. Well, we are favoring the upside, and the reason for that is that this area here, so this area here, as you can see, it is an important area, price tested for so many times. It was 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, then the 5th time here. And what to expect, let's say now, then a bounce of this area. And the reason for that is the fact that if you look at the second layer of support here, right, this is being projected right here after price making a new low. So I would say that we have all the chances in the world that this to be the, let's say, the low market put, at least this is a 1 hour chart, at least for the temporary situation here. And I would really like to buy call options at this very moment of time, with expiration date being, of course, end of week expiration date, trying to avoid any kind of volatility. And the same situation here that you are seeing here happened previously at this area. Take a look at this area here. It has been support 1 time, support 2 times, then broken, and from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. So if I were to trade the regular spot market or the currency markets, I would say that the first target normally should come to be into this area, and the second target, so this should be the first target, and the second target, or the second the profit area should be previous support here to meet and be resistance. So this is something like 89.40, and now market is doing is hesitating, let's say, in the 88.50 area here. But again, this was rejection, this was rejection, then on the second layer this was rejection, this was again rejection, and then we made a low. Well, the logical thing to do is for price now to do most likely something like this. So to come into 89 first, 89.10, it has been rejected so many times here, then probably needs to break this one, something like this, then to come to it again, and then decisively to break a bit higher, something like this, in a corrective move, because in the end I'm looking for price to move to the downside on here too, but not here, not now, and not in this situation. So what to do in such a situation here? This is not about Elliott waves, it is just about classical support and resistance, and previous areas proved to be support and resistance for current price action. So I would say that let's write on the screen that we are buying call options with end of week expiration date, based on more, let's say, market geometry or common sense or support and resistance area than anything else. Just as a reminder, whenever you are buying call options, you are looking for price to move to the upside and that the expiration date to be bigger than your striking price. Our striking price is this one here, 88, 60, 69, 70 area, and therefore we are favoring the upside. The expiration date will be end of week. This is Friday at 21 GMT, when the US markets are going to close. So make sure you are on board with this one and understand all this retracement and the possibility that we have explained that we are explaining here. Thank you again for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com. All these analyses and recommendations are possible due to the help of our sponsor here, Lionine. Bye bye.